There's Ariel.
Hi.
Hello, it's Ariel. Okay. Do you have sunshine today?
Yeah,
Oh, lucky you. I had snow.
but it's windy and sunny.
Oh, that's okay though. That's good. I like that. That's sunny and nice and windy. Okay. That's good. Yeah.
That's so funny.
It's funny. Okay. All right. You're number one. Where are the other girls? Where are the other girls at? See if they show up. We're gonna color this picture today. Do you have this one nearby you? We're gonna do coloring for this today. And I think we're doing painting today too. Are you gonna do painting with me today? Thinking about it?
It's
I like-
far away.
What?
It's really far away with you, but you're in a computer.
Yeah, I know. You're far away. Yeah. I'm all the way in Chicago and you're in California. Yeah.
Wait.
Can I take
Can
an,
put you.
can I take an airplane to come to California? Should I come fly on an airplane to see you?
No.
No.
You are. No. I really far away.
I know you do.
You're
You live.
really far away.
Yeah, you live far
Yeah.
away.
And,
Yeah.
and you're in a computer.
I know. It would be nice if I could see you. It'd take a long drive in the car or airplane. I'd have to fly in an airplane.
I love you.
Oh, you're so nice. You're such a nice girl. How's your baby? How's your baby doing?
We will first, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3,
Uh-huh.
and then 4,
Mm-hmm.
and then 5. But
Yeah.
it looks like a 2.
Oh. When is your birthday coming up? When's your birthday, Ariel?
Yeah, it's with a 3 años.
Yeah, but when is your birthday? Do you know when it is? What month?
4.
In July. Say July.
July. Oh, before long it'll be you're coming up. Whoa. No. But you're so
6.
cute. Yes, 6.
Comes after 5.
Yes,
And then
just.
7.
Yep.
And then 8.
Yes.
And then 9.
Yes.
And then 10. And then 11. 12. 13.
Yes.
14.
Awesome. You've been practicing.
15.
Yeah.
16.
Uh-huh. Here's the other girls.
Now there is orange. Look at I have.
Whoa, that's cool. What are those? Those are those cutie cars.
On those.
Okay, Lily's here. I see Lily, and I see Mila.
Look
We're only missing Sasha.
at this. One those.
Say it.
It's cute.
One those. I want those.
Yeah? Oh, Mila's holding up a cutie car. That's what Mila was showing. Yeah, it's cute.
I want it. I want it.
You like those? Oh. Okay, girls.
This is a blue car.
All right, today
So cute.
Today, Miss Julie gave you this paper, which I think Lily's already getting started on. Oh, that's a nice one. I like that, Ariel. Okay, so this is the paper that you guys can color to while Miss Julie talks. We're going to talk about our planets. I think Lily's already getting started on it. Yes. And then we're also supposed to be doing painting today.
Where are all the paintings?
Okay, so here's Sasha. Oh, my. Here's Sasha. She's not here.
Number one.
Oh, wonder where Sasha's at. 1 second. All right, let's start. All right, first one on the screen today is Ariel. Ariel's number 1. Ariel's here today. Ariel's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Ariel's here today. Mila's here today. Mila's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Mila's here today. And Lily's here today. Lily's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Lily's here today. Oh, it's okay. You can still color with it. You broke your crayon. That happens sometimes. You're okay.
Oh, I broke her purple crayon.
I think it was orange. I think it was orange. But she's going to try again.
I have blue.
Awesome. All right, girls. So today is April 20th. This is the number. Oh, here's Sasha. Here is Sasha.
Open this cap down. It's showing color.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Number 4 is squeak. Number 4 is squeak.
Oh, you think so? Are you reading?
Yeah.
Here's Sasha. Hello, Sasha. Hey, girls. You need to say hi to everybody. And we're also, so it looks like you're all wanting to start on your coloring, which is fine. You can do that. I'm going to put number 20 up. The reason I gave you this picture today is because we're talking about the earth and keeping our earth clean and nice for everyone. So, what's in the picture, guys? What's in the picture?
Use your markers. Just color the flags in.
Some flowers and trees and the grass and the sun. Yes. Okay, so you have to look at the numbers on your paper and color them the certain one. It says number 2 is pink. Number 3 is brown. 5 is yellow. Oh, I see some number 5s on there.
No, don't have it. That's mine.
My favorite color. Purple is number 4.
Purple.
7 is blue. So you're going to follow the numbers and you're going to color
What is it?
And it looks like Lily's got a great start already and she's doing awesome.
Ow.
So you guys can color this while Miss Julie shares with you what we're talking about this week. So, I want everyone to listen. We're talking about taking care of our planets and so it's nice for everyone. So ways we can take care of our planet are these ones. I have sent this to you also, but I don't know if you guys printed it. There are 3 things on this paper that says reduce, reuse, and recycle. And these are ways that we can help where we live stay clean for everyone. So there's the girl. Who sees the girl brushing her teeth? Do you see her? She's brushing her teeth, which is healthy for her. But what she did is she turned off the water. She turned off the water because she didn't need to waste it. She used what she needed, and then she's brushing her teeth, and then she may take a drink of water when she's all done. But she didn't leave the water running. Yes. And the boy, you know what he's doing? He's going grocery shopping with his mother.
Yeah, I know.
But they're bringing their own bag.
I know.
Oh yes, Mila? Do you have a reusable bag? Here, I'm gonna show you my reusable bag. Here I have, girls. Look at my reusable bag I have.
With
I
this?
take this to the store.
You want to color this one?
Ariel, do you see my bag?
Yeah.
Ariel, do you see my bag I'm holding up?
Wow.
Yeah, it's a reusable bag. I can take it to the store. And I can
I love that.
not throw away garbage, and I can use the bag over and over again to carry my groceries, my bananas, my snacks. And then the bottom is the boy recycling. I have a question, friends.
Number 1 is
Okay, does anyone know what recycling means? Mila. Do you know what recycling means, Mila? Okay, hold on. Mila, do you know what recycling means?
I don't have a recycling. I got 1 car.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Lily, I'd love to hear from you, Lily. Lily, do you know what recycling means?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Yes.
Sure. What do you have to say? What does recycling mean?
Recycling means is
Reusing your plastic.
yeah. When I was
Reusing your plastic.
a white bus.
We reuse the plastic. That's
Yeah.
what recycling means.
Good. I like that idea.
Okay. Look at the teacher. And tell him you
So
can
have you
reuse
seen?
It's a white bus.
Okay.
It was inside. I just saw that.
You saw the recycling truck? Maybe? So this is,
No, the white bus moving.
oh, okay. Look at these garbage cans I'm holding up. They have the symbol on them, and that means recycle. That symbol with the arrows means to recycle. So at my house, I have a blue garbage can, and I put
I have a red garbage can.
my plastic when I'm done, and my cans and my boxes in the recycling bin.
How are you doing?
Ariel, can you see the pictures I'm holding up? Ariel, can you see the garbage cans I'm holding up?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are called recycling cans. You can put paper, plastic water bottles, milk jugs, cans from soup or drinks, in glass cans that have like sauces or pickles. You can put those in the garbage cans, and then they can reuse them again. They take them to get cleaned up, and they make them into new things called recycling. Some people have a special can, and they separate the stuff out. Sasha, do you have your coloring by you today, Sasha, or are you just eating a snack right now?
And then
You're done with your snack? Okay, get your coloring. We're doing our Earth Day coloring right now. We're doing our color by number because we're trying to take care of our planet and our Earth. Okay, so this is my recycling picture, and I have a story, guys, about recycling. Who's a good listener? Who can listen to my recycling story? Can you do that as you color? I'm going to ask you a question. Uh-oh, where'd Mila go? Ariel, you going to listen to the story while you color? Oh, Mila's laying down. Mila, you're laying down now. Okay. She's coloring, though. All right, Mila, good job. All right, Sasha, you going to color with us? I'm talking about... I'm going to read the recycling book. Okay, so this is recycling is fun. Oh, okay, they're going to make it fun. All right, let's see what they say. Maybe you'll learn something new. You can teach somebody. All right, with the colorful pictures, it says, recycling is a lot of fun for you and me and everyone. Oh, look, they got all their friends outside. They've got their friends outside. They got different cans. Some places they separate them out like that. Different colors. Blue and green and red for different items. Let's see what they say. They say, putting paper in its place puts a smile on your face. Should we put paper on our ground at our parks? Should we put paper on our beach? No, we want to keep the paper off the ground. We put it away in the trash can or recycle, right? We want to keep our parks and our beach and our earth clean. You guys know that, right? You guys are clean. You guys clean up. Whoa! Where are you going to put that one, Ariel?
In a plastic one.
Yes, very good, Ariel. Great example. Thank you for getting that. It's okay if you drop the cap. That's great, Ariel. Yeah, you put that in the recycling bin. That's a great example. Oh, I know. Did you get the what? Was there milk? Was that one from milk or water? Oh, look. They're separating all the things. Paper, plastic, glass, and tin. Very good. We put in one each in a bin. All the kids are working together. They're learning how to separate the recycles. Hooray, hooray, it's recycling day. Oh, they're going to carry it out. Some people have a certain day of the week. Mine comes at the same as the garbage. They come on the same day as the garbage man. It's a different truck. And look, they got a recycling truck too. A big truck takes our trash away. Well, it should say recycling because it's not the trash. We're separating. See, he's got the symbol on his truck. He's going to try to reuse the items. He's going to clean them up. Oh, here's another way to recycle. Oh, look, they're taking their clothes. It says, we clean out our dressers and drawers and donate clothes to Goodwill stores. So if you outgrow something, you could take it to a store and somebody else may be able to use it. Or if you have a cousin or a friend and you outgrew something, but they're smaller than you could share it with them. Like Ariel, you could share your old pajamas with your baby, right? You could save your old clothes from when you were a baby and you could share them with your baby, Ariel. Lily, you too, you could share your old stuff. Oh, look, now they're making crafts with recycling. They're making puppets. We saved some buttons from the box and made puppets from old socks. Who's ever made a puppet before with an old sock? That could be fun. And it's using something again. That means recycling. They decided to make a puppet. All right. Oh, look at the last page is great. Look at the colors and they're outside. It says, we help the planet when we choose to recycle and reuse. Oh, that is right. And all of you can choose to help the planet. Little by little, we all can help. Like Ariel could put her milk jug in the bin, and you guys can pick up litter if you see it at the park or the beach. You could turn off the water when you brush your teeth and not waste the water. Everybody can help. All of you can help. So That is all about the recycling. So I want to see if you guys can start to remember. Maybe you can remember to make sure you check the park, make sure there's no trash, and leave it nice and clean for all the other people to enjoy it. All right, so Miss Julie has some items here that I want to show you. I have my water bottle. Why would this water bottle be good? What do you think? Why is this a good water bottle to use and drink my water or my juice out of? Is this a good water bottle to use?
No. What are you using then? What is a water bottle?
It's a water bottle. You know why this one's good? Because I can take it in my kitchen, I can wash it out, and the word is reuse. Reuse. I don't throw it away. I don't create garbage. I reuse this water bottle. This is a good one to have. And look, it's strong. It's metal. So I can reuse my water bottle and not create garbage. All right? And then the other thing I have, I was showing you already, my bag. See my bag?
Maybe there's a hand with both.
Lily, I got my reusable grocery bag. I can take this
Wow.
and I can put my bananas in here, my cookies in here, my bread in here, and carry it home. That way I don't throw away trash. And then next time I can use it again. I can save it and put it away for another time when I go to the store.
Yeah, and not lose it.
Yeah, you gotta find a nice spot to put it. Like I like to keep it in my car. That way I have the bag when I go to the store. Keep it in my car and I know I have my bag. Does anyone want to tell me anything? Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what they can do to help keep where we live clean or nice for everybody? What can we do to keep it clean around here? Anybody? What did we say, Ariel? You listening? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what are you going to do when you go to a park? Are you going to throw your garbage on the ground? If you have a snack, are you going to throw your garbage at the park on the ground?
Going to clean.
Good, yeah. Find a garbage can to throw away your garbage, right? Yeah, we want everything to be nice. We want the plants and the flowers to grow and the trees. So we want it all to be nice for when we go and play. Sasha, you have anything to say? What can you tell me about keeping where we live clean, our planet?
Our planet.
Yeah, we all live on the planet. We have to work together to keep it clean and protect our plants and our animals, right? What about our ocean? Who likes going to the ocean?
Yes, me.
Yeah, I think Mila too. And Ariel, do you go to the ocean?
Oh,
To the beach? Who goes to the beach sometimes? Yeah, so, yeah.
The beach with shells.
Ooh, very nice. So we have to work together to make sure our beaches stay clean, right? We don't want the water to get dirty with litter or plastic. We want to keep where we live and we play very nice and clean. So you can do your part by just looking out. When you go outside, just make sure if you see something, clean it up.
Glass. It's got to be plain clean.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I like that one. All right, now today we were supposed to paint. So who's actually going to paint with me today? I got a piece of paper.
I was trying to look at Daddy. Daddy, I love you, Mommy.
And we were supposed to go pick out a leaf or a flower in nature. Look, I got this long one, this long leaf. And we're gonna make nature prints. If you're
Yeah.
if you
prints.
yeah, Ariel. So if you don't have your stuff to make it with me now, it's okay. You can do it later. But this was one of our ways to look at nature. To look at nature when you're outside, make sure you don't see any trash or anybody destroying nature. And then it also gives us a chance to look at different types of nature. See, we got leaves. Somebody may have picked a flower. I have this other leaf. It's very delicate. Look. It looks like a heart.
I think use blue and green to help.
Look, it looks like a heart. Do you see my leaf? Ariel, do you see my heart-shaped leaf? It looks like a heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found this in my backyard. So I was looking for nature and I was making
Where
it.
did you get it? It's a
Oh,
nice
what's that song?
the shape of the triangle.
Oh, let me see. Hold it up. Triangle is triangle. Let me see what you got. Yours look more like oval. Ovalo. Oval.
And it looks like a slippy up.
Okay. Ariel, pull them apart. Pull them off of there. What we're going to do is we're going to... Yeah, we're going to paint the leaf and make a leaf print. Or do you want to draw a picture of your leaf, Ariel? You got the leaf. Let's see what you're going to do. Miss Julie's got paint. And I'm going to make a leaf print. Ela. Okay. Oh, and Lily's still got her marker. She's doing a great job. It's slippery? Yours is slippery there? Oh, my fingers. I got paint on me. Okay, so look at Miss Julie painted her leaf. And now I'm going to press it onto my paper and make a leaf print. I'm going to point my camera down and show you. Look, there's my leaf on my paper. And watch this, Ariel. I pulled the leaf up. It made a leaf print. It made a leaf print on my paper.
I'm hungry.
I'm going to make another print on my paper. It'll look pretty. Saisha, are you coloring still? You're doing a great job, Saisha.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How's Ariel doing? You have your leaves. Oh, Ariel's going to use some color. Oh, good, Ariel. I like it. What color? Ooh, it looks nice. You're doing great, Ariel. All right, I'm going to see if this one makes a heart on my paper because it looks like a heart shape. I'm being very gentle. I want to make the shape of the leaf. Okay. Oh, let's see. This is tricky. This is tricky, girls. Okay, I'm pressing with my finger. Pressing with my finger. And I'm going to pull it up. It made a heart shape. Ariel, look at my picture. I made a leaf print.
Gina,
I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put it down again.
good morning.
And I'm going to push it down on my paper. And I'm going to
Baby boy.
press it down and pull it up and make a leaf print.
Ooh.
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm pulling my leaf print up. Oh, this is fabulous. I love the design it makes. Look how pretty. 2 long leaves and 2 heart-shaped leaves. And I used green because green is a color of nature. What color are you using there, Ariel? Yellow? That'll look nice. Looks nice, guys. Looks nice. You're doing awesome. Taisha's still coloring. Mila, are you coloring or are you painting with us, Mila?
It's school time.
Look at me. Okay, Mila. Good job. Oh, my friend Lily is hungry. Okay. All right, girls, you are doing awesome. I do have a song to share with you guys. Let me see. Oh, one more print and mine looks awesome. I like it. I'm going to write a word on mine and then you guys can see it. I'm going to write nature print on mine. Nature prints. Okay, I'm going to hold it up. How many colors did you do, Ariel? I see red and yellow, that's 2. And another color, blue. Very good. And I lost Lily and Ariel. Ariel went away. Mila, can you show me your picture? I'm going to show you mine, Mila. Here's my picture with my leaf prints. Oh, Ariel's looks great. I love Ariel's. Looks great. Oh, you can see the leaves? Yes. And you painted them? Be careful. It's wet, Ariel. You're doing a great job. Okay, leave it on there. Oh, they're falling off. There's Lily. Lily took a little break. Okay. Okay. I love it. All right. So if you didn't do the painting with us right now, it's all right. But you might want to do it another day. You might want to go collect some leaves in nature, and then you can make a print of them on your paper. And I would love to see it if you want to send me a picture. But also, remember when you're out in nature to clean up. If you see trash, we want to keep everything clean for everybody on the planet. All right. Ms.Julie has a song to share with you guys. Let's see if it works. Let's see if the song works.
It's the song.
Let's see if my song works.
Oh, skin. That's what it's called, skin with bones.
What?
That's called skin with bones. That's not gonna make you feel like. So, some paints don't have no water, but Mommy will do it later.
You guys hear it? Them in their places in a recycling bin. Plastic, paper with paper, tin with tin, and glass with glass. Use, reuse, recycle. It's very easy to do. Simple to remember. Recycle what you use. Glass and paper, separate glass and tin. Them in their places in the recycle bin.
Pink, brown, green, yellow, purple, blue, and blue.
Oh,
With all these colors.
colors? Tell me what colors you have.
I have blue, green.
Mm-hmm.
And now I have yellow, pink.
Great.
No. And now I have blue and orange.
Awesome.
And now I have red and pink.
Good job.
And now I have brown and green.
Uh-huh.
And now I have green and yellow. And now we have purple, blue, and blue. That's when I'll get with all these colors.
Yes, I like all the colors too. Now,
Me
guys,
too.
our letter this week was X. Can we
Mommy, can you get water for these paints?
more paint? Oh, you need water? That's up to your mom if she's going to let you use those. Okay, so let's practice. You guys have your crayon or a marker, something to write with? Let's practice writing a few of the letter X's on our paper so that we have done a little bit of writing practice.
Just use the colors that you have. Use markers, and pencil. Okay.
There are paints.
Chloe made hers. Not today. That's it.
After.
Use your markers. And color inside of the lines, please.
Very good. I see you there, Ariel.
That's
Ariel, you got a marker, Ariel? You want to make a few letter X's with me on your paper? Let's do capital. Big X. X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
X for Fox. Fox has the letter X in his name. Cards.
So excellent teacher.
Very good, Mila. Thumbs up from Mila. X for ox. Ox says X. See, there's the ox. He's got the X at the end of his name. O-X. Sasha, you practicing your writing with us? And Ariel's got a marker. Good job. Mila, I love it. Mila, that is exactly what I wanted. That is so awesome, Mila. Your leaves are great. You have beautiful leaves by your house. I can tell just from your print. Mila, that's awesome. What other words have an X in it, guys? Box. We can recycle the box. B-O-X. Write another X on your paper for box. B-O-X. Ox and box and fox. X. All the X's. And then there was one called xylophone. Xylophone starts with our letter of the week.
I follow me.
Good job. You know xylophone? Xylophone is the only one we got here that starts with our letter X. Xylophone. Here it is. Xylophone. Starts with our letter X. Xylophone. All right. Oh, here's one more. It has an X at the end of it. Wax. The candle is made of wax.
Yeah, when it will be a key. When it's gone, when it drop.
Yeah, it melts. When you put the fire on the top, the candle melts. And
Maybe it's just a key. It's a key.
All right, Ariel, you're doing lots of X's on your paper. It looks like polka dots now, Ariel. You're doing a great job there, Ariel. How about the number? Number 20 was today's number. Who can make a number 2 and a 0 for 20? 20 is the number, is the date of on the calendar today. 2 and 0. Because our friend Ariel started out the class by counting and doing numbers in the air. Ariel, show me how you can make a number 2 there on your paper because you were already doing numbers with me at the start of class. Lots of fun class, Ariel. Awesome.
Number 2.
Sprinkles, Ariel. We know how you love to do drawing. We know how you love to do drawing.
Number 20.
You were already doing numbers at the beginning of class. 2 and a 0, Ariel. You can do it. Oh, Lily, you're doing awesome. You got a pencil now? Great. You are taking your time with your coloring and your writing.
Yeah, this is for calm skin. And when you want to get your bones not feeling.
Yeah, the X-ray, yes.
This is the hand. That's why it just like gobble guppies.
Oh, Bubble Guppies had that. Awesome. I love that one.
Yeah, because he made this, and Anthony with his hand, it gets lots of bones when it calls skin.
Yeah, everybody has your skeleton in your body. And when they take a picture, it's called the X.
Yeah, but a lot of bones and Sophie when it goes with that song.
Oh, yeah. I didn't remember that one, but I've seen Bubble Guppies. I know that show. That's a good one. Good job.
That's one color takes.
Look at all that practice there, Ariel. You are sure working on it. Great job, Ariel. Okay, girls, we are going to be done for today. Tomorrow, we're going to talk more about keeping the planet, our flowers, our animals healthy for everyone to enjoy. And we have more with letter X. So I want everyone to have a good rest of their day. Behave for their moms or dads. And maybe read a book. Maybe you guys can read a book. That would be a good activity. All right. You're still busy, aren't you there, Lily? Awesome. Okay. Mila, I see you. I loved your art, Mila. You did awesome.
Bye.
Mila, maybe you could work on finding that letter X in storybooks. Find the letter X in storybooks, girls. Okay. Bye, girls. Good job, Mila. Keep coloring, Lily. You're doing awesome. Bye.
Yeah, but this is so great.
Thank you for participating, Ariel. You're a great
Of
student.
course, it's all done. It's all done. But it is. It's a map. But this,
Yep, there is a map on there. Map.
really, when it across the line when I get hurt.
Oh, no, X marks the spot for the treasure. That's where the treasure is. It's the X.
Yeah, when I get